Wondering which vacuum cleaner brand is the best? Let's figure out the smartest choice for you. We are here to guide you in making the right decision for your vacuum cleaner purchase. Let's explore the brands customers avoid due to negative reports of each brand to see why they are being avoided. First one, American Micronic vacuum cleaner brand faces customer is not satisfied. Second, Lifelong vacuum cleaner brand grapples with poor suction power. Third, Osmong vacuum cleaner brand encounters quality issues. Fourth, Kent vacuum cleaner brand confronts poor customer service. And fifth, Karcher vacuum cleaner brand suffers from heating issues, as reported by customers. As a result, customers have strongly opted to avoid these brands. Let's now explore the top 4 recommended vacuum cleaner brands, including first one, Eureka Forbes vacuum cleaner, second, Egaro vacuum cleaner, third, Philips vacuum cleaner, and fourth, Amazon Basics vacuum cleaner. Let's see the comparison. Let's dive in the power output of each brand delivers in terms of cleaning performance. Let me see the comparison of each vacuum cleaner brands. Eureka Forbes and Egaro impress with a robust 1600 watts, while Philips takes the lead with a powerful 1900 watts. Meanwhile, Amazon Basics ensures reliable performance with 1400 watts. Evaluate the suction power of each vacuum for efficient dirt and debris removal. Let me see the comparison of each vacuum cleaner brands. Eureka Forbes impresses with a suction power of 21 kPa, while Egaro edges slightly ahead at 21.5 kPa. Philips leads the pack with a powerful 25 kPa, and Amazon Basics ensures substantial suction force with 20 kPa. Consider the cord length to ensure convenience in reaching different areas. Let me see the comparison of each vacuum cleaner brands. Eureka Forbes, Egaro, and Amazon Basics offer a convenient 5 meters of cord length, ensuring flexibility in movement. Philips goes a step further, providing a generous 6 meters for added reach during your cleaning sessions. Assess the noise levels for a quieter and more pleasant cleaning experience. Let me see the comparison of each vacuum cleaner brands. Eureka Forbes, Egaro, and Philips operate with low noise levels, ensuring a quiet cleaning experience. On the other hand, Amazon Basics tends to be on the higher side in terms of noise. Compare dust tank capacities to determine how much debris each vacuum can hold. Let me see the comparison of each vacuum cleaner brands. Eureka Forbes offers 2 liters, Egaro provides a spacious 3 liters, and Philips provides 1.5 liters, and Amazon Basics also feature a substantial 3-liter capacity, ensuring efficient cleaning with less frequent emptying. Check the country of manufacture to meet personal preferences or priorities. Let me see the comparison of each vacuum cleaner brands. Eureka Forbes and Egaro originate from India, Philips hails from the Netherlands, and Amazon Basics is manufactured in China. Assess the filter type for effective dust and allergen trapping. Let me see the comparison of each vacuum cleaner brands. All 4 brands feature the highly effective high-efficiency particulate air filter, ensuring that Eureka Forbes, Egaro, Philips, and Amazon Basics provide top-notch filtration for cleaner and healthier air in your home. Compare weights for ease of use and maneuverability. Let me see the comparison of each vacuum cleaner brands. Eureka Forbes stands at a lightweight 5 kg, while Egaro, Philips, and Amazon Basics share a slightly heavier profile, each weighing in at 7 kg. Evaluate 360-degree swivel wheels for improved maneuverability around furniture. Let me see the comparison of each vacuum cleaner brands. All 4 brands come equipped with the convenience of 360-degree swivel wheels, ensuring effortless maneuverability for a seamless cleaning experience in any direction. Examine overall performance on different surfaces and dirt types. Let me see the comparison of each vacuum cleaner brands. In terms of performance, Eureka Forbes demonstrates good efficiency, Egaro and Philips excel with an excellent rating, while Amazon Basics offers an average performance level. Consider maintenance needs, including filter replacement and dustbin emptying. Let me see the comparison of each vacuum cleaner brands. Eureka Forbes and Egaro boast low maintenance requirements, providing user-friendly solutions. Philips, on the other hand, demands a high maintenance standard, while Amazon Basics aligns with low maintenance, offering a hassle-free cleaning experience. Check Amazon ratings for customer satisfaction above 4.4 stars. Let me see the comparison of each vacuum cleaner brands. Eureka Forbes stands at 3,455 ratings, Egaro impresses with 11,021 ratings, Philips leads with a substantial 20,102 ratings, and Amazon Basics maintains a solid presence with 6,260 ratings, all above the 4.4 star mark. Assess build quality for a durable and reliable vacuum cleaner. Let me see the comparison of each vacuum cleaner brands. Eureka Forbes, Egaro, and Philips showcase an excellent standard, ensuring durability and reliability. Meanwhile, Amazon Basics maintains a good build quality, providing a reliable option for your vacuum cleaning needs. Compare warranty coverage to ensure sufficient protection against defects or issues. Let me see the comparison of each vacuum cleaner brands. Eureka Forbes, Egaro, and Amazon Basics offer a standard warranty of 1 year, while Philips provides an extended 2-year coverage, ensuring a reliable investment in your chosen vacuum cleaner brand. Let me see the common and good things in all these 4 vacuum cleaner brands. Perfect for maintaining the gleam of tiles and wooden floors, these vacuum cleaners excel in providing ideal cleaning solutions for hard surfaces. Tailored for carpets and sofas, these vacuum cleaners stand out in efficiently cleaning and preserving the freshness of soft furnishings. Crafted with durable plastic body material, these vacuum cleaners ensure a robust build for long-lasting performance. Versatile in nature, these vacuum cleaners are well suited for both wet and dry cleaning tasks, offering comprehensive cleaning solutions. Featuring reusable dust bags, these vacuum cleaners provide an eco-friendly and cost-effective approach to maintaining cleanliness. With a built-in blower function, these vacuum cleaners offer added versatility, allowing you to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks effortlessly. Recognized as the most-selling vacuum cleaner brands online, these products have gained popularity for their efficiency and reliability. Designed for optimal car interior cleaning, these vacuum cleaners offer precision in keeping your vehicle's interior spotless and fresh. Efficient in pet hair removal, these vacuum cleaners are the ideal choice for households with furry companions, ensuring a hair-free environment. Beyond home cleaning, these vacuum cleaners are well suited for computer and electronics maintenance, providing a delicate touch for sensitive devices. Ideal for marine cleaning tasks, these vacuum cleaners are suitable for maintaining cleanliness in maritime environments. Well suited for aircraft maintenance, these vacuum cleaners offer the precision and efficiency required to keep aviation interiors in top-notch condition. Let me see the ratings from purchased customer in online. Eureka Forbes vacuum cleaner holds strong 4.5 star rating, and Egaro vacuum cleaner holds strong 4.5 star rating. Philips vacuum cleaner holds a strong 4.5 star rating, and Amazon Basics vacuum cleaner has good 4-star rating. Since online product prices can change daily, you can find the exact model and price of the product in the description below by clicking on the provided link. Included in the box: vacuum cleaner, accessories set, user manual, and warranty card. As we look at the best 4 brands, remember, what's inside the box may differ. Some brands keep it basic, while others add extra stuff. Ensure to check the specifics for each brand, as the accessories included can differ, enhancing your overall quality. Prior to purchasing a vacuum cleaner, it is imperative to meticulously assess its power, cord length, noise level, dust tank capacity, filtration efficiency, build quality, and warranty coverage for a well-informed and satisfactory cleaning solution. We stand by our promise not to review cheap or poorly rated items. Avoid the cheap and short-lived. Choose us for quality and value. Your subscription is not just a click, it's a vote of confidence that will help us to create videos for you. Please subscribe.